Hello, it's Miller again, and today I'm going to show you how to edit your profile, and how to manage your badges. Okay, well, I suppose you have logged in, like me, so click here, Preferences, then click on User, and here you can see different sections. What we need is edit your profile, so click here. You can see different fields with exclamation marks. It means that they are required, so you have to type your name, surname, email address. Also there are some optional ones like city, country, time zone here. Also you may add description. What else? You can add your profile picture. I have already done it. You can do it easily. Just click here, add file, and add file from your computer. And the last step, don't forget to update your profile to save changes. Okay. So I have already done it. I pressed cancel. Okay, and also what we are interested in today is managing badges. So you can click it here or here. So badges. Okay. So here you can see the badges that you have earned. I have earned only 2 because I added my Skype contact. And I've earned this one. And I've earned this badge for filling some information about my profile. Okay, I have only 2. What can we do with them? So you can download all. Just click here. And you may it will be saved somewhere on your computer, maybe in a downloads folder. Okay, but also you can display some external badges. So you can keep them on a cloud. And for doing this you have to connect to a backpack. So let's click it. Okay. So I don't recommend you to type in your email address. I have done it. It doesn't work, so nothing happens. You may click question tag. You can see some information here that currently only Mozilla Open Badges backpack is supported. So let's click it. Okay, so we can see this page. Scroll down. You can read some information if you're interested in it. Let's get down straight to step 2, create an account. I have already done it, so I may sign in. If you haven't, so then just create an account. It's easy. So let's see, just create an account. Okay, and choose the one which you are going to sign up with. I recommend you to stick to one. For example, I use Google. Okay, I'm going to cancel because I have already done it. Okay, so I have signed in, and here just you can see your collection of badges. I have already edit badges, but you can do it too. So also it's very easy. So click add badge. So then just drag and drop file or select file to upload somewhere from your computer, like this one, or sorry, you can't see that, just like this one. Click attach, Yeah, well, and then add a badge, so it will be added. So I'm going to close. Well, what else can you do? Collections. So you may create collection if you like. Well, so please type the name, create name of your collection, description if you really need it. Well, and what can we do with pages? So we can share them. So it is so you can use some social networks, so they will be displayed. Yeah. Okay. Well, so that's all. I hope it was useful. Thanks for your attention. Bye bye.